Welcome to Custom Rustic. Here are the instructions for entrance into our home. First, open the external screen door. Next, you'll notice the keypad. Make sure you tap the face. If it's really cold out, you may have to tap it a couple of times to get it to wake up. Once you see the numbers appear, you'll notice that there are 4 circles with 3 random numbers in each circle. In order to get it to show up again, just tap again. Type in the 6 or 7-digit code. Then tap the print at the bottom. A correct entry will turn the light on, and you'll hear the door unlock, and you'll be able to enter the home. A wrong entry will flash a red light, and it'll give you 2 short beeps. If you tap the fingerprint again, it'll change the numbers, and you'll have a chance to retype in the number. A correct entry will turn the light on, and you'll hear the door unlock, and you'll be able to enter the home.